In this video, we'll demonstrate how to determine the best sized label for your product. Don't worry, it's incredibly easy. Step 1. Gather up your tools. You'll need your product container, of course, some paper, a pen or pencil, a ruler, and some scissors. Step 2. Wrap the piece of paper around your product. Depending on the size of the container, you may want to trim it down to a manageable size first. Then mark where the edges of the label should be, like so. Step 3. Cut the paper according to the lines you marked. Step 4. Continue to wrap your paper around the container, mark, and trim until you find the perfect shape and fit for your label. Step 5. Lay the paper on a flat surface to measure the final label size in inches. Try to keep the size as close to 1/8 increments as possible, since these sizes are more common. Wasn't that easy? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more design and packaging tips.